going for a photo shoot today. He is going to be a model. It's a men's photo shoot. It'll just be a very nice experience and he actually gets money for it. But I'm most excited for getting the book where I will have a full catalog with my dog in it. So I'm just so proud. I hope everything will go well and he will be a good boy. Armani is Terry and Tina's son. Armani is so beautiful. I took a day off work because it's my birthday and then I need to go to work with my dog. And I'll show you when he's going to shoot. Armani is such a good boy. This is his first time out for a photo shoot and he's actually very calm. And he's calm whenever strangers touch him, so that's really great and he's very cooperative. Armani, good boy. He's chasing you, Armani. Armani 乖了哈。Armani 最乖。Armani。Armani 你做乜打人哋隻手啊 ？Armani 乖啦。No 屁屁哈。Sit, Armani, sit in. Need to be a good boy when you're outside, okay? Sit, Armani, sit. Sit down, down. Yes, he's a bit scared. Armani, you need to be a good boy. Armani, it's our job. It's actually my birthday today, and I'm getting 27. Kind of old. And I actually took a day off work. Armani 乖了哈。So took a day off, but need to come with Armani. Armani 乖乖了。Armani, kush. Okay, 乖啦哈。So he's really happy, and as you can see, he really loves the makeup artist. He loves girls more than boys, but everybody loves him so much. As you can see, I'm wearing my baby pink Maxi dress and my bling bling shoes and just a cowboy vest from the 60s. It's really old. And I didn't have time to set my hair this morning, so maybe I'll get it done by the makeup artist. I'm so proud of you, you know that. If Simba he could do the same, but I still have a lunch date with my best friend. So my father will take Armani home, and then I'll have lunch with my best friend, and my boyfriend will continue this photo shoot, and then we will have dinner together tonight. My father is having his lunch, so he's just continuously looking at him. Oh, are you tired, Armani?
对，看到过年的时候看。这个拍过了吗？
When is it your turn, Armani? It's Armani's turn soon. He想屙屎。係啊。You need to poop. 有紙巾啊。Armani is pooping. Armani, good boy. 佢而家入面。
快顯啦！攞完少少，就 Lindie.
Armani, good boy, come. Armani, come. Armani, come here. Come. 頭先佢係乖。
行街啦 ，OK 好。
哦。
行街啦啊，行街。
Armani, come. Oh. Come.
乖，Armani。
哇，好靚仔。
Armani。嘿，哇，好看啊！Armani。逛咖啡廳啊，Armani。
睇得出唔係佢隻狗。
Armani。
好熱啊佢。
好，真係好，得。
佢想屙尿啊。
Drop it. Let the dogs go.
OK。
唔會跳落去㗎嚇。
唔會。乖，Armani乖啦。
我太熱啦。怕曬啊嘛。
爬。
So Armani just found a cooler spot. We are right now up on a roof terrace, and it looks like this. Hi, Armani. Armani 乖乖啦嚇，唔熱咯。Armani, you're such a good boy. I just have to hold him in a leash because I don't want him to risk jumping out or anything like that. But he really wants to go inside because it's really hot.
哎，那个黑色墨镜呢？拿过来。
Armani 乖啊，哦，好靚仔啦啊！
OK。
啊！
来看，快！来，过来，Armani过来，依我来，耶。
Good boy, Armani, kiss. Good boy, Armani. Armani, good boy. 好乖仔。嗰個好想。
Armani。
Sure he's 10 kilos.
Yes, he's only 9.5. Actually, he's very small if you shower him because, yeah, his coat is so big. Looks like he really likes some money.
阿蓮，等同佢一齊影張相嘛。
Oh. Everybody is waiting to hold Armani. 唔驚啦嚇，Armani，唔驚啦。Armani, such a good boy. It's so hot. 好熱啊！係啊。
牵着吧，好不好？
Armani. So all the other advertising companies that is here also want to take pictures with him.
这个没用啊，这个
拿起，帮他拿下衣服。拿起衣服。
绳子牵吗？
Armani.
走了。
我嚇死我。So it's very hot today, so I just got here with my friend. Hi, so I just arrived here in a coffee place where I just met with my friend, and we are just having some drinks, and I'm then meeting my boyfriend later because he still needs to do the advertisement, finish it. So my dog is already on the way home with my father. So I will have my drinks now. So I am currently in a taxi because my father already went home with my dog, with Armani, and I feel like I'm so tired. I think taking care of a dog through work, through his work, is really tiring because it's so hot outside, and you can already see that my makeup is so shiny and my battery is actually dying, so I will wait to vlog. It's my birthday today and I really haven't done any birthday things, and I just feel like when you are getting older, you really don't like to do big parties like when you was younger. I always used to have very big parties when I lived in Denmark. So I'm currently inside Poland Beer, and I'm just waiting for my boyfriend because there's traffic jam and we came by different ways. I took a taxi and he took the metro. We come from different places because I went to see my best friend, and I found some really nice items that I really want to show you. So it's actually workout clothing. As you can see, this is a sports top and the fabric is just so nice and so comfy. But I really don't have time for shopping today. I really just want to buy something. You know that kind of feeling? Oh, it's so pretty. So I finally arrived home and I'm truly just so sweaty, so excuse my shiny face, and I'm sorry that you can see my bra there. So it's getting 12 o'clock in just 20 minutes time. So I'm going to slice the cake, and it's most likely just for my dog. We had the birthday party in my company 2 days ago. So this is just a very small cake, so my dogs also get a part of it. There was actually my name on the heart, but I think it got smashed out because of the traffic and transportation, so I just wiped it all off because it was with the chocolate writing. So it just said happy birthday love, and as you can see, it's Italian cheesecake from Angel Simple, which it's full of strawberries and Italian cheesecake, and my dogs can share this with us too, and they are truly excited. There's nothing else on the table. I really don't have time. But overall, it has been a really good day today, and I'm so proud of Armani. It was a very special day. Not much of a birthday, but more like a dog play day. And I try my best to have individual time for each and every single dog as much as I can, because I'm truly busy in my daily business life.
I buy so many gifts for you when you have your birthday, but you never buy any for me. Where are today's versus this girl, huh?